Hey guys, Jordan here from Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best electrician leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, you're going to go to Atlanta, Georgia, big booming city, lots of housing development, lots of need for electricians. We're just going to increase this to 25 to get more leads. We're going to hit next. We are looking for electricians. Sanity check shows us lots of companies, so we're going to add that. Hit next to lock it in, and we're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are looking for one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case. Next to lock that in. For filters today, we want to do Google reviews as they sell to consumers. So 3 and a 5 for a review score, we're going to ignore the review count. And we're sending between a 3 and a 5, as that means that they have a great relationship with their customers and clients, and the benefit for you is they'll probably have a great relationship with you as well. So hit next to lock that in. Also, we are going to go ahead and we want electricians that we know will work with advertisers. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our ad pixels. So select all of these and then change this to an or. So basically this just means if any of these single ad pixels are on their website, then it'll show them. And that just means that they're more likely to work with marketers. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We're going to go to deliver. Phone number ad, Google review count score important, GMB profile, GMB claimed. Again, good for seeing what they currently have and where they currently stand with their marketing and SEO efforts. GMB claimed is a good one because if they have ad pixels but their Google isn't, or if their business isn't claimed on Google, that's like an easy sale. As you know, you can build that into the service you're selling them, and pitch it as it'll get them more business, which it will, and you're the one to do it for them. So yeah, great metric. Social media, the social media metrics are great for determining where they stand with their marketing as well as the SEO metrics. So I'll add these all at once. So basically, if their social media efforts are really great but their SEO is bad, then you can come in and say like, hey, you're spending a bit too much money on social media. Why don't we migrate that to SEO? And it's just more insightful for building a package for a potential client. We're going to ignore direct dial as we are already getting direct email, and direct dial doubles our credit costs. We want to add revenue, headcount, and data established, as this will determine the longevity of our client and take our 100 good clients down to 20 great leads. As this will take our 100 good leads to 20 great leads. So perfect for determining customer longevity and taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. Next, we want to add our ad pixels. Again, this is, do they want to work with marketers? And finally, Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed. Again, great for taking your 100 good contacts to 20 great contacts, because it'll show you what technologies they're working with. You can synergize with what technologies and build an appropriate marketing package. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, finish that up, make sure to give it a title, set your contacts required. I always save a draft just in case I need to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I am going to launch it. As you can see, electricians in Atlanta, it's allocating, which means that your lead sheet should be reading about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best electrician leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.